Hello, everyone. Good morning and welcome to the Women in Ethereum Protocol Cohort 4. So happy to have everyone join us. And it would be great if you can switch on your cameras, but if you are not comfortable, it's fine. But yeah, we would love to see all of your faces. So should I share my screen? Yeah, I have access. Give me a minute. Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome to the cohort 4, and today we have the official kickoff. And welcome to the journey. My name is Arunima Chaudhary, and I'm the lead facilitator for this cohort. I was a previous cohort fellow, and apart from that, I'm also a research engineer at Status. Yeah, so next, what we will do is starting with we will have a walkthrough of the GitHub repo. I chose to have a walkthrough of the GitHub repo rather than preparing a presentation because this is something that we will be working with throughout the program. So it's better for everyone to have an idea of it. So before starting this, I would like to thank Pooja and Ladona for their dedication into making this journey possible. And apart from that, the entire WiEP team, Soleen, Meenakshi, Akash, all the mentors and speakers, leads from the previous cohort and the current cohort as well. And most importantly, the participants. So thanks everyone. It would not have been possible without you to have this amazing thing possible. So next, I will be doing a walkthrough of this repository, and this is what we will be working with throughout the program. So these are the repositories of the previous cohorts that you can refer to. And this is the cohort 4 folder that we will be working with. So starting with what is WiEP. So our goal is to create a supportive and inclusive environment for everyone who is interested in contributing to the Ethereum protocol, to help them started with their first contribution by giving them a structured program and getting more people involved in this protocol. There is a link for the WiEP handbook in the README file, which I strongly recommend everyone to go through. Yeah, so moving on to the cohort 4. So these are the files in the cohort 4. I will try to go through each of them one by one. Yeah, so this will be a 10 to 12 weeks program where our main goal is to dive deep into the Ethereum protocol fundamentals and then moving on to the client implementation. Our cohort, we will have 2 sessions per week, stand-up sessions and then guest lectures. In the stand-up sessions, we will mainly be discussing about the GitHub issues, the assignments that we will be working with, and we will try to solve your doubts and help you in any way in completing the assignments if you're facing any blockers and anything like that. Apart from that, these are the curriculum highlights. The weeks where we have distant TBD, we are yet to decide. We are still coordinating with the speakers to make it possible. So it will mainly be deep dive into the protocol fundamentals, EIP, architectures, spec, EL architectures, and members from the research team. And finally, we will have the presentation and wrap up in the week 11 and 12. So some of the expected outcomes that we have for this cohort is to have at least 1 to 2 merged PRs per participant. We hope that by the end of this cohort, you have a good understanding of the architecture and some hands. So yeah, and we expect to have a good network and connections with the Ethereum developer community. And yeah, for the ecosystem, we expect that we have higher number of merged PRs from the cohort participants and long-term contributors into the protocol development community. The client repositories that we will be working with is the specs, Ethereum execution specs, Ethereum specs test, Ethereum consensus specs. The execution layer clients that we will be working with is Besu and Get. And the consensus layer clients that we are working with is Prism and Lodestar. A huge thanks to them for helping for the mentors who agreed to help the participants of this cohort. So yeah, like why to join the cohort 4? So we will have a comprehensive learning, a structured learning, some hands-on experience, and we all are here to help you. The mentors are here to help you. And yeah, so any blockers you face, we will try to help you get it sorted and finally help you get your PRs merged into the clients and specs repositories. And yeah, this is an important part. For the top contributors, we have some benefits. We will have discounted Dev Connect tickets, free WiEP Dev Connect tickets, travel and stay for a limited number of days in Argentina, developer residency opportunities with the Invisible Garden, and direct connections with the client development team and external contributor opportunities with the major clients. You can go through the prerequisites. It will mainly be having a GitHub and a motivation to learn more about the protocol. So yeah, these are the other parts which you can go through, the Discord links and the documentation links. So coming on now, the program guide mainly has what each page of this folder is about. The main files are the session tracker file. So in the session tracker, we have the schedule, the session types. So every week we will have two types of sessions, the guest lecture and the stand-up. For the guest lectures, we will have recording and we will post them on YouTube and add the links here. But for the stand-ups, we have decided not to keep any recording so that all of you are free to ask your question. And yes, for the stand-ups, we won't have any recordings. So this is the schedule that we will be following roughly. Just to give a little clue that the dates will be same, but the times might change a bit here and there by maximum 1 hour or a few minutes, depending on the speaker availability. And yeah, these are mainly the session topics that we will be covering. The assignment things will be shared here. We will have the assignments in the Google Classroom. I hope all of you have joined the Google Classroom. If not, you can ping us and we will help you join that. So the assignments, every week we will have some assignments that you can submit on Google Classroom. And then moving on to the progress tracker. So yeah, this is the file that the participants, all of you will be working on. So whenever you start working on the client issues, we expect you to open a PR and update this table with your name, the issue link that you are working on, the progress update and the outcome, so that we can keep a track of the issues that the participants are working on. And apart from that, we have the GitHub guide. In the GitHub guide, we have, if you have not contributed previously to a client repository or to any open source project, then you can refer to this for getting started. And yeah, you can just read this file and understand what are the standard practices for contributing to the clients. Moving on to the issues guide. Yeah, so the issues guide, this is an important file in this folder. Here, the main thing is here. So here we have listed out all the repositories, the specs, and the clients that we will be working with. The language. So if you are more interested in contributing in a particular language, you can filter out which client or specs you want to work on based on the language. We have listed the mentors and the Discord usernames. So we encourage the participants to ask questions in the public channels. Then you will have a higher probability of getting answered quickly. So, or you can ask on GitHub. So these are the Discord usernames of the mentors who will be helping you in solving your issues with this cohort. Also, they will be guiding you on this, but if you don't, we expect that you know the basics of the language and basics of coding before starting to work on the issue. If you don't have a basic understanding, here I have listed out a few resources which you can use to get started with learning the basics of the language. So you can refer to them. And yeah, so these are the good first issues link and the Discord channels link. And here I've also mentioned the channel where you can ask doubts if you get stuck, or if not in the channel, you can tag the mentors in the GitHub as a comment under the issue, and or you have opened a PR and ask whatever doubt you have. So yes, this was a quick walkthrough of the program and what we are planning to do in this cohort. Let me stop sharing. And yeah, so next we have a talk from Pooja, a small message. I think Akash, will you be able to share your screen and start the video if you have it?
Yeah, give me a few seconds.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Good morning, afternoon, and evening, ladies. It's such a pleasure to welcome you all to Women in Ethereum Protocol Cohort 4 opening ceremony. Whether you are new to the group or you have been with us from starting, thank you so much for showing up and being a part of this journey. WiEP was created with simple yet powerful ideas. One of those is Ethereum is stronger when more voices shape its future. Protocol development affects everyone, then why not have everyone to participate? We believe education and inclusion aren't side projects, they are infrastructure for Ethereum's long-term success. Hello everyone, I am Pooja Ranjan, the co-founder of Women in Ethereum Protocol. I, Ladana, and Shaive announced this initiative on 29th February 2024. In over a year, we have organized multiple events at different locations to let the women developers community know that we are here to help. WiEP is a project supported by the Ethereum Foundation and the ECH Institute to educate, onboard more female developers to protocol development. Through WiEP, we aim to open doors to inclusion, innovation, collaboration, and growth of individuals as well as the community. Our mission is to educate and empower women and non-binary builders so they can step into technical and leadership role. Since inception, we have completed 3 study groups, cohorts, and amazing statistics have been received. I learned yesterday that cohort 4 has received 100 applications. That's quite amazing. You would learn more about cohort 4 details with Arunima, but on a very high level, we aim to provide an opportunity to every individual participating in this cohort to make a contribution to the Ethereum ecosystem. We aim to run this for 8 to 10 weeks, and there would be guest lectures, stand-ups, and other opportunities coming along the way. With opportunities comes responsibility. We expect you to actively participate, have a time commitment at least of 2 hours in a week where you can have a sync meetup. We hope this will also help you meet your goals of expected outcomes as merged pull requests along with deeper involvement in the ecosystem. Thank you for bringing your curiosity, your skill, and your ideas. I hope we all have a good learning experience. Inclusive participation will definitely strengthen Ethereum's future. As we prepare for our next cohort and upcoming events, we invite you to continue sharing your knowledge, opening doors, and amplifying voices. Together, we are building not just a stronger Ethereum, but a fairer and more inclusive space for the next generation of protocol builders. So ladies, join us here today, and if you are around, we would also want to invite you for EdCon and ETH Tokyo events. Looking forward to see you in many different events and hoping to be a part of the Ethereum ecosystem one day. Thank you for joining us here today.
Thank you so much, Pooja, for the lovely message. I think everyone enjoyed it. She's traveling, so she couldn't join us. But thanks a lot for sending so much love. And next we have Mercy. She's the co-lead for this cohort, and she was also a previous fellow and also an Ethereum Protocol fellow. Mercy, would you like to share a few words with us?
I don't have much, so good afternoon, good evening, good day, everyone. I'm super excited to officially kickstart this cohort, and I can't wait to see what we all are going to achieve and where this is going to take us. So I'm Mercy Napson Kariboma. I'm a software engineer, and I'm currently working with the Zim team. Currently, I want to officially welcome us to WiEP Cohort 4. And also, I want to say thank you all for joining us. And then if there's any questions, if there's any issue that you guys, or maybe if you pick up an issue, you don't know how to go about it, just feel free to reach out and we'll all get it sorted out. I'm super excited to be a co-lead to this amazing cohort. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mercy.
Can I say something? We are not coordinating this alone. So we also want to first introduce the team from Dev3 Pack, and then Makeni for also do a little bit introduction
that
about
would be
herself and
great.
how she'll be facilitating with us also.
Yeah, that would be great.
I'm not sure if she's still here. Yeah, they're here. Suman, if you can do a little bit introduction about yourself and how you're also involved with WiEP, that would be great to get more familiar with ourselves. I can see you, Dev3 Pack. Say something.
Hello. Yeah, actually I'm from Dev3 Pack. So are we having like a group discussion?
No, we just thought to have some time for everyone to know about themselves because this will mainly be online. And since this is a kickoff ceremony, so it would be great if everyone could at least know something
Oh
about each
yes.
other.
I'm Janvi. When I started my Web3 journey in 2023 with Ethereum, and then in 2024 I explored Solana, and currently in 2025 I'm doing a Starknet base camp in which it's almost over, and now we are supposed to make some product and deploy it and submit it for the hackathon, get some VCs and so and so. But I love Ethereum the most because it's the most beginner friendly and it's amazing. And actually what I'm learning right now, the Starknet, it is connected to Ethereum because in case if you know the beginner story of how Vitalik and the founder of Starknet, the story of it, like Starknet's founder rejected Ethereum's idea before to Vitalik because he didn't understand Ethereum. And then comes out to be Vitalik is investor in Starknet. It's crazy. How many people from India are here? Anybody, any plans to go to ETH Global Delhi?
Yeah, I'm from India. Like I have registered for ETH Global and I'm excited to go there.
Are you developing? Are you gonna make something there?
Right now, I'm like not planning anything for developing because I'm into Web3 since 1 year and I'm a front end developer basically. So, not right now, I'm just exploring things.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Can the next person make a quick intro so that we get to know ourselves a little bit better?
Yeah, so what we want to do is that we want to have a short intro with your name, region, and how are you involved with the community so that we can know everyone better. I think next, Meenakshi, are you here?
Hi everyone. I'm Meenakshi Singh. I'm from India and I'm so much glad to join Cohort 4 of the Women WIP group. And my role is to coordinate with all of you and I handle WIP social activities and coordinating with the co-host and everyone. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Menashe.
Thank you so much, Meenakshi.
If you just want to go, okay, let's do it like this. If you want to go next, just kind of like thumbs up or unmute and talk.
Then
It's
just
quite
unmute
difficult
and
trying
talk.
to pick out people to make an intro.
Exactly. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay, Stephanie.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie. I'm from Nigeria. I am a front-end developer majorly, and I've been building in the Stacknet ecosystem for almost 2 years now. And yeah, I'm excited to dive deep into like Ethereum protocol and everything that this cohort has to offer. Yeah, I'm happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Stephanie. Thank you. We are happy to have you. Anyone else?
Yeah, hi, I'm Kea. I live on Maui. I'm from Hawaii. I was born in Fiji originally. I'm a junior at University of Hawaii in Applied Business Information Technology. So I do hackathons. I do AI agent, so agent to agent technology, and I do national disaster insurance protocols. So like earthquake insurance, I do monsoon insurance. I attended the East San Francisco hackathon and also Chainlink hackathon and the PL Genesis modular hackathons. I use mostly Chainlink, Chromium, and Near AI, and also CeeLo AI protocols is what I work with. So yeah, I'm excited to be here.
We're excited for you to be here also. I think next on the list is Winnie. Yeah, thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Winnie Robert. I'm from Tanzania. I'm a cybersecurity analyst, but also a certified ethical hacker who's currently breaking or expanding into Web3. I'm so excited to be here and I'm ready to learn from you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Alien, you can go next.
Hi everyone, my name is Ailen. I'm from Argentina. I'm a lawyer and a software developer. I have been working with the Polkadot ecosystem for 2 years with a group called Virto Network. Since I mostly worked as a front-end developer, and this stack was so hard for me that I decided to turn into something more beginner friendly. So I decided to move into the Ethereum ecosystem. And also because I want to try to like make the Polkadot things work together with the Ethereum things, because they have an amazing infrastructure, and I feel that we can get advantage from that. Thank you. And I'll be waiting on you in Argentina if you come to DevConnect or Sub-Zero.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Yay. Just help me out, please.
Hello. Where to find the essential language resources on the repository? You showed a list on the table which had some languages and the resources to learn it.
Yeah, you can find in the issues guide page, the issuesguide.md. I'm sharing the link in the chat. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, your hand is up. Can you go next?
Hi, hello. Nice to see you all. Such a beautiful and interesting crowd. I'm Yulia. Well, I'm based in Buenos Aires as well as Eileen. Currently traveling and attending a couple of events in the US. Tomorrow I'll be attending East Boston. I did volunteer in a couple of weeks ago at East Global New York, and then participated myself as a hacker at the Aleph Hackathon. Well, just quickly about myself, I'm a data engineer with like many years across different industries in Web2, currently transitioning to Web3. And last but not least, I'm a member of core team of Devs3Pack Latam. Already really bullish on giving back to the community because I feel like the ecosystem, the Ethereum ecosystem is just brilliant and full of opportunities, and particularly in Latam region. Yeah, I'm so grateful to Devs3Pack program, which is amazing. It also introduced me to this current Women in Ethereum Protocol program. And I'm bullish also on the research opportunities. I'm mostly interested in deep research within the ecosystem. And yeah, as Aileen said, looking forward to seeing all of you guys at DevConnect later this year. Well, thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Sorry if I'm bad in pronouncing the names. Just sing.
So I'm a data scientist and an analyst working. Currently, I've done my undergraduation this year, completing it this year, and looking forward. I'm just stepping in the Web3 world and really interested to learn more about Ethereum and what's next. Glad to meet you all.
Glad to meet you too.
Yeah, glad to meet you. Next, we have Yulia. Again, sorry if I'm pronouncing the name incorrectly.
Oh, sorry about that. Hi guys, good evening to everybody. My name is Obiamaka. I'm from Nigeria. I'm so happy to be part of WiEP Cohort 4. I am a full stack blockchain developer, so I write smart contracts in Solidity. I work as a community manager for Electronium, which is a layer 1 blockchain company. And I'm looking forward to collaborating with all of the amazing ladies here. So that is it, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and you're welcome. I'm not sure if anyone else wants to go.
Thank you so much. My name is Harriet. So I'm from Kenya, and I have a background training in information technology. Besides that, I've worked previously as a Web3 developer, focusing more on Solidity, smart contract development, and I since moved to founder roles where I'm the co-founder of BitChain Africa. So we build capacity and facilitate knowledge transfer in areas of Web3, blockchain, and crypto. Besides, I've also done a few trainings on Web3 protocols like Stellar Blockchain. Thank you, and I feel so happy and glad to be in this group, in this cohort. I look forward to engaging with more people going forward and engaging with this community. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Harriet. You're highly welcome. So, is there anyone that wants to go? We have a lot of people that haven't introduced themselves. Ifolua, Fabiola.
Hello everyone, I'm Khushi from Mumbai, India, a computer engineering student. My journey into blockchain started on a hackathon project, which we ended up winning. So that was my first project, but it sparked my curiosity, and now I'm here finally to deep dive into the Ethereum protocol. I can't wait to learn and contribute with you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Khushi.
Thank you.
Oshadhi, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name correctly, but you can just switch on your mic and go ahead. Hi.
Hi, can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, I'm from Sri Lanka and I'm also a member of DevTree Pack and I'm looking forward to work with you guys and contribute to the Ethereum ecosystem.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. Nelly, you can go next. Thank you.
Hey guys, so my name is Nelly from Kenya, and I'm so excited to finally get into the Women in Ethereum Protocol. I am a student in my final year, and I also do cryptography and zero knowledge. The main reason I actually wanted to get into the Women in Ethereum Protocol, I'm just looking on avenues on where I can collaborate to the Ethereum Protocol in matters ZK and zero knowledge. As you all know, Vitalik had like a roadmap for ZK in Ethereum. So I'm really just looking forward to contributing to that. And I'm so happy to meet all of you. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you very
so
much, Nelly.
Niti, you raised your hand. Can you?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. So my name is
Hi.
Smriti Singh and I'm from India. So currently I'm working at Endless Domains, which is basically a Web3 domains aggregator platform. I'm working as a front-end developer there and I'm into Web3 since 1 year. And I'm excited to learn about Ethereum protocol and deep dive into Web3 blockchain ecosystem. Also, I have built a product on Ton ecosystem. So that's about me, guys.
It's amazing to know, Smriti. Which city are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, that's amazing. Can you share your LinkedIn in the chat? We can connect.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Niti. Next, we have Omega. Omega, can you hear us?
My name is Omega Judith. I'm from Uganda, and I've been doing blockchain for a year and a half now. Mostly, I've been doing boot camps. I started by understanding blockchain, what that really is, the whole study of blockchain. So then I thought, okay, I'm a builder. I have a background of Web2 building. So I thought, okay, now I understand. Now I should build on the blockchain. So I started doing boot camps, different boot camps with the different L2 chain. The curiosity was still very high. And then I saw this opportunity of getting even deeper with women Ethereum. In Ethereum, I was like, yeah, this is good. What excited me the most is when I looked into the documentation, in the FAQ, the frequently asked question, there's that section that says, are we going to build apps? No, we're not building apps, but we're diving deeper into Ethereum. I was so happy about it because the food camps have been more doing dApps. So this is so good that I'm going to understand Ethereum from the roots. I'm ready. Let's go. Yeah.
So nice to have you,
Thank
Judith. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much,
So,
Omega. I think next we have Cheryl.
Yeah, sure. Hi everyone. I'm Cheryl. I'm from Kenya, a full stack engineer and also blockchain developer. Currently building on the Polkadot ecosystem with a focus on ink smart contracts. And aside from that, I'm also a community builder in a community called Web3 Africa, which fosters on empowering blockchain adoption in grassroots areas. And aside from that, I'm also a past cohort 3 participant in the Women in Ethereum protocol. It was quite a journey, and I'm so thrilled to join you guys in this cohort again. Thank you all.
Thank you very much. You're welcome back to cohort 4. I guess. Okay, let's take one more person and then we wrap up for the day. Ciao.
Hello everyone. My name's Claire and I'm super glad to be here. I have a background in native web development and I got into Web3 a couple of years back and I recently got like my interest for fully focused on Ethereum, and joining this cohort has been like the highlight of my year because I'm super excited to learn more about Ethereum with all the other amazing people on the study group. So yeah, I'm super excited to be here. Can't wait for the future weeks.
Thank you so much, Charles. Mercy, do you have anything in mind left for the kickoff call? Or we can just wrap up?
Yeah. So I just wanted to say thank you all to all of you for making this kickoff session a great one. And it was really nice getting to put some faces to the names. Even though we have people that refuse to turn on their camera due to one reason or the other, no offense. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be co-leading this with Aruma, and then We want to also encourage you guys to join our upcoming office hours and then also engage with the assignments. Let us make it more in an interactive session. If you have questions, just feel free to. We don't bite, nobody bites. We don't know it all, and we definitely will figure out if there is any problem on the way. So that is it from my end. I don't know if Arunima has something else to add before we wrap up the call.
Yeah, I would just like to add that even if you are not able to complete the assignments or not like perfectly solve the PRs, I will still encourage you to like engage as much as possible. Try solving the assignments. We are here to help you. And even if you are not able to give that time, try attending the office hours. You will definitely learn a lot from the speakers. So just stay with us till the end of the cohort. I'm sure you will learn a lot about the Ethereum core protocol by the end of the cohort. So yeah, that's it from my side. And yeah, I think we can wrap up the session for today. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining. Yeah. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you in the next session. Bye.